Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Once again, after a long time, I'm just going to post how to install Microsoft SQL Server on Linux operating system. Yes, Microsoft has already launched one of the Microsoft SQL Server for Linux operating system. It's a good news, and even I was shocked when it was just announced that Microsoft has released one of the SQL Server for Linux operating system. Anyways, let's get started with the installation. It's very simple and quite interesting to install that things. Okay, for that we need terminal. I would always start my installation right now with sudo apt-get update. Let the repositories get updated. Sorry, I haven't been posting my videos on the YouTube since so long time because I was just busy making my Linux operating system from scratch, so didn't got time much. Anyways, the another one is sudo apt-get upgrade. Let the entire thing get upgraded so that the latest packages get installed to your operating system. After that, we need to start installing curl language. Fine, so sudo apt-get install curl. So it's pretty much easier. You can see that every now and then it gets installed all the things. These are the packages which will be automatically installed after the curl has been installed on the things. One more thing I just forgot to do is, one of the YouTubers told me that I should start typing my commands so that everybody can see and watch and can type the commands, and everything is on the record. Fine, so just a second. Okay, so let's do it. So first was sudo apt-get install, not install, but it was update. Another one was sudo apt-get upgrade, sudo apt-get install curl. Yes, one more thing was that I already installed my MS SQL server on this PC, but then after I just uninstalled it for showing it to you people that we can also install this thing with these commands. I've done a lot of trial and error methods also, but after that I felt that this is the easiest way, which I am going to show it to you today. So I thought, anyways, after that, after installing curl language, the another one is the curl library, which we need to type it on terminal. This curl library is provided by Microsoft itself. You can see the Microsoft documents for that, or even if you can if you want to type it, you just pause the screen and you can type this command without making any typing mistakes, and spaces are much more important in this aspect. Do not forget to put a space between this hyphen. Anyways, the another one is just a second. So this is the second one. I'm just going to type it for you people. Okay, so this is the second repository. After adding these two repositories, we need to update the entire repository of Ubuntu. Sudo apt-get update. So I'm just going to type it. Also for listing purpose, I'm just typing it over here. Also sudo apt-get update. Fine. It's pretty much easier for this thing. After that, I'm just going to type this command, which is not remove. I'm just going to type install. Okay, fine. So I'm just going to type this command. It's going to download approximately 144 MBs of data from internet, so stay put for download. And yes, do have do connect your computer with the internet so that the entire streaming has been doing properly in the PC and the entire packages gets downloaded to your PC. Anyways, it's going to take quite a long time. For me, I have already done it, so it's not going to type it again and again. Fine. After that, let's see if it's installed or something. Anything missing? Just a second. Okay friends, there was some minor errors which I just tried to solve it uh, because I already had installed this thing once, so I just had to remove this MySQL server once again, and for removing it I just forgot to remove some of the folders for it. Anyways, I just completely removed it and once again trying to install it. So after that, after finding this command, you will come over here and you will find that it says that please run this command to work on it. Fine, let's copy and paste this command. I'm also typing it over here for you people to see that what's the next command going to come. I'm just going to type full yes, do not type y, or please do not type simple y or capital Y, just type it in a long format way, yes. Okay, so it says that you need to run this command on sudo mode. I'm just going to press Ctrl C for it so that I can run this command in sudo mode. Okay, so I'm just going to type it yes. Let me give simple password for it. Don't worry, I will let you know what the password was. Fine. Mind well that it's not going to type star 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 or asterisk 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 or any other characters over here, but it's in the back end it's going to type some passwords and store it somewhere. Do you wish to start the SQL service now? I'm just going to type y and not yes. After that, it's asking me, do you wish to enable a SQL server to start on boot? I'm just going to type yes, that is y. Fine, it's going to create some of the symbolic links you can see over here. After that, let's assume, okay, yeah, let's see if any of the services are running on it. For that, I'm just going to type and install htop. So for services, I'm just installing one more sudo app install htop so that I can see it. This is an optional software, so don't worry. And if you want to install, you can install it. Let's see if any of the services are running or not. Okay, you can see MS SQL services are running right now. Fine, so it's running perfectly and it's working on somewhere. Fine, it's going to change this something like a task manager of Windows operating system. Fine, you can kill any of the processes if you want from here itself. Fine, just be sure that it doesn't changes while you are killing some of the processes. Anyways, I'm just going to quit so that I just wanted to show it to you that my services of MySQL server is working very fine. After that, let's install MS SQL tools, and that is also quite simple. Yeah, one more thing, if you do not wish to install htop, we have one command by which you can see that the services are working or not, and that command is just a second, I'm just going to type it for you people. Okay, if you do not wish to install this, you just type this command, and you can see over here the process ID is 3503 and 3518, and the server is working on these process IDs, and this is the entire server log that we can see over here at which time and which date it's going to start and stop and everything like that. Okay, so if you want to see the services, you can also type this command. Rather, if you do not wish to install htop, fine. But htop is one of my favorite to see this processes are working or not. It's a very graphical and colorful one, so just prefer htop anyways. After that, let's install Microsoft SQL tools so that we can connect our server with client. Okay, fine. So I'm just going to install this MS SQL tools. It's quite easier, but before that we need to okay, let me clear the screen. Before that we need to call some of the packages from Microsoft again. Fine, this is the call, and I'm just going to type it for you people over here. After that, it receives some of the data from Microsoft server for listings. Once again, I'm just going to type another call. Let me clear the screen and then paste it over here. Fine. Okay, if you wish, you can pause the screen and type this command, or if you do not wish to type the command, you can see my description. I will be already updating my list over there. Okay, just misspelled over here, just sorry for that, please sorry for this thing. Okay, after that you can see the entire things are called up. Now let's sudo apt update it so that my repository gets updated from Microsoft server. Update. If apt update doesn't work, you can type sudo apt get update. Both are the same right now. After that, after it gets updated, I'm just going to clear the screen. Okay, and I'm just going to paste this command. Just mind, well, we wish to install MS SQL tools, but MS SQL tool depends on this MS ODBC SQL, and this MS ODBC SQL library is dependent on Unix ODBC UTF-16. This UTF-16 is dependent on this thing, and so on and so forth. So with one just single command, I just type all these requirements which are required for MS SQL tools to install, and I also kept one -y so that it doesn't ask me about that do you wish to install it or not. So this makes my work more easier. You can also type end user EULA is equal to yes, so that it doesn't ask for the end user license agreement, but I wish it does ask me so that I can show it to you. Okay, so you can see over here, if in any mode it asks you about end user license agreement, please type OK or give positive instructions, that is yes. Fine. It's in the similar way configuring MS SQL, yes, and you can see over here it's getting installed. All the libraries are getting downloaded and also set up. Okay, so I'm just going to clear my screen. Let's try and run the screen and type some of the commands so that we can test it that it's working or not. Okay, so SQL cmd -S, that is localhost. This is my server. -u, that is SA, system administrator. -p, as I said and promised that I will show my password to you people. Don't worry, this is my password. Fine. And okay, some problem. Okay, just forgot to type capital P. Okay, so you can see over here it got connected. It's pretty much easier. Let's create a database, Neeraj, and I'm going to type go. That's it. So you can see the database has been created. After that, let's see, create, use Neeraj. After that, I'm just going to type go. The database has been changed to Neeraj. After that, let's try create table info, in which I'm just going to type ID, that is integer, first name, that is nvarchar 50, last name, that is nvarchar 50, and semicolon. After that, I'm just going to type go. So after typing go, it gets executed. Let's insert some of the values. Insert into customer values 1 comma Neeraj comma my surname, that is last name. Let's give some more values. Let's type one more value. Okay, just did miss some mistakes. Doesn't matter, it's okay. Just forgot to type 2 over there. Okay, so okay, by mistake I just forgot this info. Let me type 2 over here and info. My table name was info. 3 over here and gosh. Let me give instructions. So you can see 3 rows are affected. Select star from info and go. You can see that the database has been inserted. Now let's test with my Microsoft operating system. My Microsoft operating system has installed SQL Management Studio 2008. Let's connect my laptop with this Linux operating system and see if this database is available over there or not. Okay, so let's test it if it's working or not. I'm just going to connect RDP connection. Okay. Okay, so you can see over here, this is my IP address for my laptop. Let's connect it with my laptop. My laptop is pretty much slow in a way. Okay, this battery is low. Sorry for the interruption. Okay friends, so you can see over here that my PC has been connected right now. Let me type SQL. This is my laptop, as you can see over here. It's pretty much slower right now because it's working on what we call is network, and also my laptop doesn't contain much of the RAM, so it's going to load a lot of time. So as soon as this Microsoft Server 2008 is um, open, I'll be just back. Okay, it's open right now. Let's see what does it say. The server name is 192.168.1.3. Let me show it to you. This is my oops, by mistake. Just a second. Okay, let me show it to you. The IP address of my server, that is Linux operating system, is 192.168.1.3, and the IP address of my client, that is Windows operating system, is 192.168.1.109. So let's see if it's available or not. Okay, fine. This is 192, this server, this super administrator, system administrator. Password, as you know, it's neeraj@123. Let me connect it. It's coming via network connection, so it's going to take some time, because my network is slightly slower, and also this PC is much slower. So anyways, it's getting connected. You can see over here. After that, you will be finding that the database that I have created, that is, the database name is Neeraj. Let's see and expand this databases. You can see that Neeraj is already there, and the table which we created has also been established somewhere in dbo.info. That is, info table has been created. You can see it over here. Fine. The column names that we created is this. These are the columns that we can see over here. You can fire some queries over here, so that you can see all these aspects over some other PCs also. So anyways, thanks for watching this video and supporting me. I hope you do not have any of the doubts. I have covered a lot of things over here. I also showed how to connect with some Windows operating system and use this as an client and the server as a Linux operating system. If you have any doubt, do comment me, and yes, please, thanks for subscribing me every time. I just get a lot of support from you. Love you guys, love you, thank you.